In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook View to show email preview. If you've ever wished you could scan an email without fully opening it, the reading pane in Outlook is exactly what you need. It shows a live preview of the message while you browse your inbox, which helps you move faster and stay organized. Let's walk through how to turn it on and choose the layout that fits your screen. First, go to Outlook in your web browser and open your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open the settings panel. This panel gives you quick controls, but for what we want, we'll head into the full settings. Inside settings, find and click on email in the left-hand menu. This takes you to categories that affect how your mailbox behaves. Next, click on Layout. Layout is where Outlook groups all the options that control how your message list and reading area appear. In the Layout section, look for Reading Pane. This is the feature that controls the preview window. You'll see options to display the reading pane on the right side of your message list or at the bottom beneath your list. Choose Show on the right if you're working on a widescreen or you prefer seeing the message content side by side with your inbox. This is great for desktop monitors because it uses horizontal space efficiently and keeps your message list clearly visible. Choose Show on the bottom if you're on a smaller display, like a laptop, or if you like more vertical room to read longer messages without constant scrolling. Both options will immediately update your view so you can see which layout feels better for you. As you test it out, click a few messages to make sure the preview behaves the way you expect. Changes here typically save automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to confirm. If at any point your preview disappears, return to the same reading pane section and make sure it isn't set to hide. A quick tip while you're here, the reading pane can make triaging your inbox much faster. You can scan subject lines, check attachments, and read the first few paragraphs without opening a new window, which helps you decide what needs attention now and what can wait. If you work with a lot of messages, experiment with both positions and stick with the one that reduces scrolling and eye movement for you. That's it. You've changed the Outlook view to show an email preview using the reading pane, and you're set up to move through your inbox more efficiently.